Hey, what is up everyone? Inceptive here and welcome back to another market breakdown video. And in this video, I will be going over Bitcoin, what it's currently doing and where it's headed. Now before I get started, I do want to tell you guys that our Discord server is currently free for the time being. We give Forex and crypto alerts in there. It's a nice community to be in, especially if you're a beginner trader. Um, we it's not just me that gives alerts in there or chart breakdowns or market updates. There's also other analysts in there as well. So feel free to join. I will leave the link down in the description below. Now we also do give weekly classes, weekly meetings as well. So if you guys want to learn how to trade from the very basics, if you're a beginner or even if you're someone that knows something about trading but wants to take it to the next level, feel free to join. And yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so a lot of people have been scared about this recent pullback that Bitcoin's been having. All right, it's currently been in the downtrend, um, but there's nothing to be scared of. I think Bitcoin is still currently bullish, and I'll be showing you guys exactly why and where you want to be taking longs and shorts. Okay, now currently what Bitcoin's been doing is it's broken below a channel. Okay, so you can see that on this time frame over here, on the 4-hour time frame, there was this channel, right? And Bitcoin has currently hit a wall of resistance. So we did break down, but the breakdown was a quite impulsive move. So whenever a breakdown is quite impulsive, the retest doesn't usually hold, right? And right now what Bitcoin's doing is forming a double bottom, right? Right there. It broke below the channel, retested, tried making a lower low, but that did not happen. And right now what's happening is it does seem to be breaking back into the channel, which is a good sign for a long. However, you can never be sure until the candle closes inside of this, okay? Now, when the candle does close inside of this, that it will be an absolutely amazing long. And now I'm going to show you guys exactly why that is the case, okay? Now, I'm just going to jump to the daily time frame. Oops, we don't want that there. Get rid of that. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys exactly why this is just a pullback, right? Okay. So I'm on the daily time frame, and essentially what I like to do is see what Bitcoin has done in the past in order to see what it's going to do this time, right? So what it did during the previous bull cycle and every other leg up that it's had, okay? And now you're going to see one thing in common, and that is with this Fibonacci tool, okay? I use this tool in every single time frame for Bitcoin, for Forex, for stocks, whatever it may be, and it works amazing, right? Now, essentially, what Bitcoin has done in every single leg up, essentially, it's in its previous leg up, right, the bull run, is so we make the Fibonacci tool started from the bottom of the uptrend and all the way to the top of the uptrend, right? And what you can see is it's always had a retracement to the 0.5 to 0.618 level of the Fibonacci, right? So over here, we can see that it bounced exactly off the 0.5 level, right? Around there. And also there was a 50 EMA, and that's where it found support and essentially had its next leg up, right? Now, if I get rid of this and show you guys again what happened during the next leg up was you're going to see something very similar, okay? So to the high, to the low, to the high, right? And essentially what happened is we had immense buying happening at the 0.5 level, exactly right there, okay? Now, this trend has played out again and again, right? So if we're looking at, let me just get rid of these. If we're looking at this move up again over here, right? Again, what did we have? Buying happening in the 0.5 to 0.618 level, okay? Now, essentially, the downtrend started over here, and all we did is just reverse the Fibonacci, right? So what started happening is now instead of bouncing up off the 0.5 to 0.618 level, we started bouncing down. Okay, and that's essentially when the downturn started. Now, again, I can keep on going, right? Where did the upturn start? Over here, and essentially that's the end of the uptrend. And what did we have? We had a pullback to the 0.5 level perfectly, right? Now, to come to where we are right now, I'm just going to do that exact thing again. Low to the high, right? And what's happening is we are currently at the 0.5 level, which is $53,969 on the Binance Perpetual Futures chart, okay? And so right now, we could start seeing is a very high level of buying at the 0.5 level. It is currently the weekend, okay? It is the last weekend of November, so we could start seeing a high level of volatility as we see the weekly candles close. But essentially, this is a good opportunity to be looking for longs. Now, another thing that I will show you guys is a zone that we've had, okay? So there's a zone right here, like that. And now if we stretch that out to the left, you guys will see that this zone is quite important, and we've seen bounces of it in the past. So what happened is here it acted as a quite strong level of support for Bitcoin when it was starting to dump, and once it did lose that level, it just completely lost it, right? And over here in the future, when Bitcoin did have that initial leg up after the bear market, uh, it did get rejected over there again. And once we broke through, found support, made its move up, right? So over here, we are currently seeing it hold, right? So we can be putting in longs over here. And essentially, if we do break up above this channel, that is a strong time to be buying. Now, if you do not like to play risky and if you want to stay safe, the best time to be buying will be once we see Bitcoin do something like this, right? Maybe come and retest, so bomb a double bottom, and essentially break out of this channel. And you want to be buying essentially when this channel is broken over here, right? And if you do want to play a bit risky, right, you can start buying over here. Now, obviously, we do like our risk management. So if you were to buy in right here, right, what would you like to do is, so say for example, you got in here, your stop loss would go somewhere around there, and your take profit would either be around there, or essentially, if this channel does break, we could be seeing a break up target of, so from there to there, and our breakout target would be somewhere around this zone over here. Okay, so that would be a take profit. So you can either keep it over there or down there, depending on whatever you like. And that would give us a nice risk reward ratio of 1 to 3, roughly. Okay. Now, obviously, we are not sure if Bitcoin will bounce off over here, and I'll be showing you guys exactly what you need to do if Bitcoin does start to reject off this channel, right? If Bitcoin does start to reject off this channel, what we will be seeing is a breakdown target to about the 0.618 level, okay? And so if Bitcoin does start rolling over and start falling down, you want to start putting in longs at either 50,857 or the breakdown target of the channel, which is roughly about $49,979, right? And now, just to make sure, I am on the Bitcoin Perpetual Futures contract chart, not the Bitcoin USDT or the Bitcoin USD normal chart, okay? So that is our analysis for Bitcoin currently. And if we do start seeing a bounce from this level, my prediction is for this bull run for this next leg up, we will be seeing at least a push to the 74,276 level, which is just an extension of this Fibonacci, right? And our second target would be $83,454, okay? So that's it for Bitcoin at the moment. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe and share, and also don't forget to join our Discord community, okay? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.